Do you have a teenage boy who takes his hygiene seriously? Then you definitely don't want to miss this video, because today I'm going to show you how to make a body spray that will give your boy a fresh, attractive and memorable scent. This scent is perfect for young men or young man who loves to smell clean, fresh and well groomed. And if this is your first time I've seen any of my video, please, anytime you see my video, my tutorial video, put your eye on the screen. That's where I'm listing the ingredients and the quantities. Okay, but if you did not get it, you can comment. For this particular video, you can comment body spray and I'm going to drop it as well. So we are combining coconut, strawberry and bergamot to create a beautiful balance of freshness, sweetness and masculinity. I have boys, my customers have boys, so I've made body spray, cologne, perfume for teenage boys, for children, and over and over. But this particular one, I decided to share it because I said this month is my daddy's birthday and it's just a way of me celebrating. I don't want to make it loud, but I want to celebrate. I'm celebrating my daddy's birthday with the feel of my secret recipe. So coconut is commonly used in premium men's groom products. If you've been using men products, or you are familiar with men products, you know that coconuts are usually used like in products like shampoos or deodorants, because it gives that warm, clean and inviting feeling. Then we have bergamot, which adds a fresh, bright and slightly masculine touch to. Then strawberry comes in. Strawberry gives a soft, fruity sweetness that makes the overall scent pleasant and youthful without being overwhelming. Okay, so when these fragrances are combined here, comes together, they blend beautifully with your boy's overall or everyday hygiene routine. It will help your boy smell freshly showered. It will help your boy smell clean. It will help your boy smell pleasant for hours. And let's talk about the compliments. You don't want to miss this compliment. I'm going to say the compliments at the end of this video, so keep watching. I know you don't want to miss it. Okay, I've added my coconut, I've added my strawberry, I've added my bergamot. Okay, the way I combine, one is not going to overshadow the other. Okay, that is because there are a lot of things you need to learn in perfumery. All right, so the way I combine it, that is where you know whether you know what you are doing when you are creating a perfume, a cologne or body spray. The way you combine your oils, these oils you will have like this strawberry, you may have it from different companies and they smell differently. They smell differently. So the company you are buying from, the particular oil you are using, will determine how you're going to combine it or which notes you're going to add it in. Do you understand? So I've added my other ingredients. So I've listed them on the screen. Okay, so the complement part I want to talk about is that the strawberry and coconut create a warm, sweet and inviting character. Okay, so while the bergamot keep the fragrance fresh and balanced. Now girls and peers, they generally love the smell of strawberry and coconut because they are inviting and warm. So while the bergamot keeps it masculine, it creates a highly attractive, approachable trail that smells uniquely. So if you want your boy to, like when your boy goes to school or when he passes, even adults will be saying, boy, what did you use? I love how you smell. That it will make their pairs. It will give unforgettable feel. Do you understand? So that is it. And if you are a mother or a parent looking for a beautiful body spray for your teenage boy, then this video is definitely for you. The only thing I want you to do for me in this video is just say thank you. Just your thank you. I don't need any other thing from you. If you have approached me for perfume classes, you know how much I charge for it, because I create scents for people. I create scents for people that are reselling. I produce for people that are reselling. So that's why it's like that. And if I'm teaching this perfume, I'm going to give you two of my best selling, like one masculine and one feminine. That's how I teach. So don't look at how cloudy this is. It's going to clear and it's very easy to make, very cheap to make. So after that, you can leave it plain, but I like adding its color. And this color I combined, I can't remember the colors I combined, but I combined the colors I used. You store into your packaging container. You can use a can. What do you think in this video? Can you please drop a comment in the comment section? Just say thank you. That's what I want you to say. Say thank you. code JOPHIA. Thank you. And that's that. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.